Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the auction of this beautiful 1993 500 SL. I will do a cold start right now, show you guys everything. Let's pop the hood. Show you guys that the engine is cold. As you can see, let's look right here. What we got? Clean coolant. All right. Okay, let's start it up. Gonna take it for a little ride right now. Now, what you're seeing on the dashboard, the lights got off. It just started happening. I don't know what it has to deal with, but like all the lights actually work, and there's no warning lights, no ASR, no ABS. If you see, if I turn on the lights, like it all works. If I push the brake, everything's good. Alright. Where should we go? Left or right? Let's go right. Left or right? Let's go another right. Let's go left now. Gonna give it some time to warm up, but yeah guys, I mean, this car is in absolutely beautiful condition. As you can tell, everything here is in place. There's no plastics that are ruined. Original radio, Seats are in amazing condition. Door panels, everything. Alright, let's stop here. Transmission, shift great. Let's go reverse. Let's actually go another right. Why not? Should have went before this van, but hey, I'll just give him some slack. Oh, another nice Benz. Look at that. But yeah, this SL is something else. 1993, 43,000 miles. Going at 44. As you can see, it's been driven a little bit. Oh, I forgot the thermometer, but AC works really fine. It's cold. You can hear it, and I'll do another video where I show the temperature on it. So we got the engine warmed up a little bit, so I want to show you guys that this car actually has a lot of power. Close the windows now. I want you to hear the engine, so. Alright, so now I'm gonna push it all the way to the little button. I mean, look at that. That is just amazing. Oh my God, you guys have to feel this. Feel it to believe it. Alright, after this stop sign, I'll demonstrate a kick down as well. Stop sign, let's go. We got the Sienna in front of us. I think we're gonna turn around. Bum, bum, bum. Ready? Okay. Yeah, that transmission shifts so smooth you can't even tell what gear you're on. I don't even know. I think it's the third one already. I don't know. Maybe second. I've got another truck in front of us. Here, let me push the accelerator. We got a stop sign. No, okay. All right, we're good now. Yeah. Instant power. You feel all the 340 horsepowers on it, or 320. I don't remember exactly, but this is a powerful engine for sure. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Place your bids. I hope this video helps.